So in this video, I will try to deliver my reflection regarding the materials, the use of technology integration in SAMR, and also the Azure model in English language teaching. So for the first section, I will try to introduce you to the first model, that is the Azure model. So after exploring and also reviewing many resources regarding this topic, I got the point that the Azure model itself consisting 6 phases in the teaching designing, especially in the English language teaching. So according to Reyes 2017, the direction of Azure model itself can be summarized into 3 points to be considered. For the first one, we have the characteristic features of learners in the Azure model. So by having this characteristic, we can say that the Azure model will going to be appropriate to be applied, especially in the 21st century learning. So in the second one, we have the getting state objective aspects. So in the Azure model, this is crucial because while formulating objectives, we will having the detailed lesson plan and also selected materials or lessons that of course have been considered some analysis from the student itself, including the student's needs and also the student states in the classroom. And then for the last one, Reyes also state about the aspects about selecting best media and materials for the instruction program. So this selection of which one will be the best media and which one will be the best materials are required because we will having to aim the effective learning. And then from those 3 aspects that have been stated by Reyes 2017, we can imply that those aspects can be developed into 6 phases practically to be applied in the classroom, including A for analyze the learners. The analysis outcomes from the learners, including students' needs and also students' competencies, will be the base to determine what materials, media, and methods to be applied in the classroom. And then for the second one, we have state objective phase that including detailed lesson plan and also the selected materials. And then for the third one, we have the S for selecting media, materials, and methods that we will use. And then for the fourth phase, we have the utilize media and materials phase. That is going to be the execution for the determined materials and media that we will use. And then for the fifth one, we have the phase of require learners' participation. That meaning that this Azure model needs to involving the students actively in the classroom. And then for the last one, we have the E for evaluate and revise. Evaluate and revise required because we will manifest the better environment for the learning process itself. And then for the second section, I will try to deliver my reflection regarding the SAMR model. So according to Lobo and Jimenez 2017, the SAMR model going to be referred as the framework for transforming purposes in learning process that implemented information and communication technologies. That including for classification in the use of technology for the learning activities, the S for substitution, A for augmentation, M for modification, and R for redefinition. So I think that's all of my reflection for this occasion. Thanks for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.